Welcome to Over Channel. How Mitolyn works. Understanding its ingredients and mechanism, Mitolyn is a popular weight loss supplement that claims to help people burn fat, control hunger, and boost energy. To understand how it works, let's take a closer look at its ingredients and how they help with weight loss. The main ingredients in Mitolyn contains natural ingredients that work together to help you lose weight. Here are the key ones. Green tea extract is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which help boost your metabolism and burn fat. One important catechin, called EGCG, helps the body break down stored fat and use it as energy. Green tea also contains caffeine, which gives you more energy and helps you burn extra calories. Caffeine is a stimulant that increases your energy and helps your body burn more calories by generating heat. It also reduces your appetite, making it easier to eat less. Garcinia cambogia. Garcinia cambogia is a fruit extract that contains hydroxycitric acid, HCA. HCA helps reduce hunger by boosting serotonin, a chemical in your brain that controls mood and appetite. It also blocks an enzyme that turns carbs into fat, which can help prevent weight gain. L-carnitine. L-carnitine is a substance that helps your body turn stored fat into energy. This process not only helps with fat loss, but also gives you more stamina during workouts. Chromium picolinate. Chromium is a mineral that helps control blood sugar levels. It reduces sugar cravings and keeps your energy steady throughout the day. This helps you avoid overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. Capsaicin, found in chili peppers, helps increase your body temperature and burn more calories. It also helps reduce hunger, making it easier to stick to your diet. How Mitolyn helps with weight loss. Mitolyn works because its ingredients target different parts of the weight loss process. Here's how it helps. 1. Speeds up metabolism. Your metabolism is how your body burns calories for energy. Mitolyn includes ingredients like green tea, caffeine, and capsaicin, which helps speed up your metabolism. This means your body burns more calories even when you're resting. 2. Burns fat. Mitolyn helps your body use stored fat for energy. L-carnitine plays a key role in this by moving fat into your cells, where it can be burned for fuel. Green tea extract also helps your body break down fat more efficiently. 3. Reduces hunger. Hunger can make it hard to stick to a healthy eating plan. Mitolyn contains Garcinia cambogia and chromium, which help control cravings and keep you feeling full for longer. This makes it easier to eat less without feeling deprived. 4. Boosts energy. Dieting and exercising can sometimes make you feel tired. The caffeine in Mitolyn provides a natural energy boost, helping you stay active and motivated throughout the day. L-carnitine also helps by turning fat into energy, reducing fatigue. 5. Burns more calories. Mitolyn increases thermogenesis, which is the process of generating heat in your body. Ingredients like caffeine and capsaicin raise your body temperature slightly, helping you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Benefits of using Mitolyn. When combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, Mitolyn can help you lose weight faster. By burning fat and boosting your metabolism, it helps you reach your goals more quickly. Feel more energetic. You'll have more energy to stay active and stick to your exercise routine. Control your cravings. It's easier to avoid overeating when you feel less hungry. Improve workout performance. Ingredients like L-carnitine help you work out harder and recover faster. Things to remember. While Mitolyn can support your weight loss journey, it's not a magic solution. Here are some tips to get the best results. Eat a healthy diet. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid sugary or processed foods.